And this is the day that we're gonna give you all the mindset. We're gonna give you all the tools. At sagot lang po namin ng one day. Kailangan sagot niyo yung araw-araw, up until success is no longer what you do, it's who you have become. Natural. When we say natural, dili pinugos. Nindot ba na? Because your nature is success already. Ask me why. You were beautifully, fearfully created in the image and likeness of your Creator. True or true? Except that we are not aligned. Ug wa ka malipay sa imong sweldo karon, ask me why. Wa man ka nag-grow. Again, I'm speaking here because I got it. I started as a janitor. But I realized my life success starting from 21 up until now, nga akong success, di gid ko mahadlok mawad-an. Ask me why. Because my success is dependent on me, not on somebody else, not on a certain country, not a certain position, but a certain business. If everything is taken away in my life right now, everything, no fear. Ask me why. Why? Because it's all here. In fact, mas ma-excited pa ko. Because it's a preparation. Success formula number 1. Please write this. Have a mentor. Ang boss, wala laing buhaton, kundi suguong ka, para ang imong trabaho manindot, aron performance manindot. Not bad. But it's only focused on work. But what is a mentor? A mentor is somebody who will nurture you, who will grow you, who will develop you so that you become who you are, who will support you, nurture you, grow you, develop in such a way that you become the person who you are, healthy, loving, growing, spiritual, and fun. And therefore, when you put that into a place of work, everything else will just follow. So I was so blessed, extremely blessed, because at age 21, naanak ko yung mentor. Up until today, I still look for a mentor. I still want to be mentored. I still grow for a mentor. Pay so much money to be mentored. That's a blessing. Now, when we say mentor, there are two kinds of mentors. The first is what we call informal mentor. What's the word? Kini mga mentor nga informal mentor, mga tao ni nga ato makita sa YouTube, sa Spotify, mga kaila nato, pero wala sila kaila nato. Kinsan rin na kaila kang Anthony Robbins. So kana ako mga example, kaila ko nila, pero wala sila kaila nako. Every day, when I was still 21, I listened to them every day. So the good news right now is we have all informal mentors available. Ang pangutana, willing ba ka mukat-on nila? Kaya ako, for the past more than 30 years, I've been listening to my mentors every day. These are who we call informal mentors. The most important part here is what we call formal mentor. What's the word? Formal. These are people who you work with, you have close contact, you can call. And the good news here, in our organization, we're training all the managers, all the leaders to become formal mentors. This is very important. Have a mentor. However, part of number 1 is not just having a mentor. Be a mentor to somebody else. Ayaw suluha. So nakakat-on mo diri, itudlo na sa inyong mga anak. Itudlo na sa inyong mga silingan. Itudlo na sa mga tao na inyong katrabaho. Kay nga ano, this is your contribution. Ako ang tao, nga in the next 50 years, bisag di ko magtrabaho, di ko mangitag kwarta, buhi kay ko. Anak ko ka-sure sa kagalingon. Pero bakitan ko ninyo, grabe ko mo trabaho. Alas 3, mata na ko. Back-to-back meeting, hantod alas 10, karon alas 12 pa. Naibayad or wala, ako ganang gapon. Ask me why. Wa ko malipay nga ako ray ini. Gusto ko kamutanan. Gusto ko kamutanan, makuha ninyo ang sikreto sa success. Di ba siya secret? We just have to do it. So I now become a mentor because I was mentored by somebody else. You can change the course of somebody's life because you gave them power. And the most important power is the knowledge, the skills, the experience, the leadership that you're going to give everyone in your family, in your own team, so that one day, Philippines, first world country. Pagkasabi, bawat Pinoy, masaya. Bawat Pinoy, mapayapa. Bawat Pinoy, masagana. Bawat Pinoy, malaya. And that's what I want to work on for the rest of my life until my last breath. We just have to change the way we think. And we will learn from mentors. We become mentors. That's the first. Number 2, This is what I learned from my mentor, and up until today, I'm still practicing it. This is what we call have a grateful heart no matter what. Unconditional gratitude. Unconditional happiness. No if, no but. Happy ako. Excited ako. Ask me why. Do you believe that God is the source of all blessing? Yes. By the way, when I say God, this is who you believe. I'm not going to push any particular religion. Whatever your faith is, stay there. But we all believe there's God. Yes or yes? Yes. And God is the source of all blessing. True or true? True. How come it's not happening? Sabi nga sa Bible, ask and it is given. Nga nawa pa man lagi. Lord, sige na Lord. Please Lord. 20 years na sige apo, wagi hapon. Ask me why. Di ka kay balo mo dawat. Wa kay lami tagaan. Dili ka grateful. Maura na. Maura niya kong sweldo. Alangan sa imong itsura. Musugod ko sa inyong kumpanya, janitor. Tagay ko isa katuig. Kasi apil ako sa matagiya. Ask me why. I know the formula. Bisag dili kay ko gwapo, di kay ko bright, pero magpakita ko adlaw-adlaw happy, grateful, lami kayo ko tagag opportunity. True or true? True. That's an attitude. And when you're grateful no matter what, you will be blessed. These are the steps of gratitude. Letter A, clear your baggages. When I say clear your baggages, clear all the things that's stopping you from being happy. Unsa man ni mga baggages, mga kalain, mga panluod, mga kaligut-gut, mga hanash. Stop it! It's no longer working. Which means when you start blaming other people, the situation, nothing's gonna happen in your work, in your life. When you say clear your bags, it starts with B. Stop blaming. This is your life. Blame. Yagwa na ka may blame, you move to A, anger. Suko dayon ka. I have nothing against anger. But when you're angry, this will do you things that is not good, right? Kung masuko ka o sa may tabo, nagyaw-yaw ka, nakasakit ka, o gabaan ka. It's no longer serving. Because when you stay in anger, you get into certain mold of guilt. Bakit ka may guilt? Kasi alam mo, mabuti kang tao. Because you cannot let go of your resentment, ang imong panluod. And this is a practice. Then the last but not the least, the lowest form of energy is what you call shame. Gratitude and bags cannot reside in the same source. Clear your bags. And that is your first job. You cannot operate in a way naturally if you have something that you carry. Even Jesus said, ugda kay kabugaton sa kasing-kasing, useless ang imong offering. Wow! How you treat another human being is how you treat yourself. So therefore, forgive anyway. Repeat after me. Hurt people. Hurt people. Hurt people. Hurt people. Mo siya sagit na ko, kay mo rin niya. But we carry it. We don't let go of it. I'm just excited for you today. We're gonna release a lot of baggages. Are you excited? We're gonna support you to do that. But again, sagot namin one day, it's your job every day to release it. Grateful heart by releasing your baggages. Letter B, clear your mind. When I say clear your mind, from after clearing your heart, you need to clear your mind. You need to start taking a look at on the word meditation. Because meditation para nako is the most powerful tool that I cannot even imagine living without. Right now, I'm handling 16 companies. I'm actually the CEO of all the founders. And yet, I can still add 4 more companies. I can do multiple things altogether, not missing a single thing. Ask me why. My heart is clear. I always move forward. And I have a practice of clearing my mind no matter what. It's a beautiful practice. That when your heart is clear, your mind is clear, automatic, you are in alignment with your Creator. This is your nature. Most important part of having a grateful heart is give your best no matter what. That's letter C. Do it full-heartedly, wholeheartedly. Buong-buo, bigay mo. And when I learned this, I applied this, hallelujah. I started my job as a janitor. Wala ko nangandoy mahimong manager. Pero ako pangandoy, ang gitudlo sa kuha, release your bags, clear your mind, and I did it anyway. Bisag mawala niya akong sweldo, pero ako trabaho pang 100,000, lo and behold, padung na ko dito. Because I understand the law of compensation. What is the law of compensation? When you give your best and you become indispensable, you'll be paid the amount of money that you deserve. If I ask you, if you do a poor job, what kind of reward will you get? You don't get any reward. Poor job, poor reward. No, take them out. Resign. You're breeding people who's what? Low-level performers. That's your fault. Because poor job equals no reward. I understand this at 21 years old. When you do a good job, what kind of reward will you get? Poor rewards. Good ka lang eh. Average. Sakto lang. Kapituko. Sagrado pa, 75. Sakto lang. Wala. Minimum wage. Gano? Minimum na maghahatag. Stop it. But you need to understand that when you do an excellent job from a janitor, I did what I can. But since that was the only job given to me, I embrace it with full gratitude. No complaint, but being the best janitor in the world. Wow! OA kung OA. Then I become a promodizer. Still the same principle. Then I become a salesman. Then I become a sales supervisor, assistant manager, sales manager, regional sales manager, sales director until 15 years working with this principle, ended from a janitor to an international key accounts manager taking care of 5 countries. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Ask me how. Always have a grateful heart. Release your bags. Give your best all the time. But how I got to where I'm at right now is really, number 3, most important part here is personal development. Which I am so blessed, I am so happy, I'm so excited. After 15 years of working, I now am able to build my finances. That I can do whatever I want, that right now, my retirement life is the life that I always want to live. Is that what you want? You need to embrace the process. Because when you understand this, you have to understand that whatever you're doing right now is what? Basis of promotion. I want you to write that. Now, kung di ka ma-promote, kay walay lugar, okay ra. Pwede po ka ma-pirate. Some people will pay you better. But I want you to understand that all the things that you do right now is a preparation. What's the word? You are being prepared. Because your organization, your company will do something that will change the course of your company that maybe if you deserve. You have the character. What's the word? You have the competence. What's the word? And you have the contribution. You might be invited to become what? Partner. Why? Nakita nila sa ako, I have the character. I have the competence. And above all, I have the contribution. And this is where you want to start working if you want 100,000, 500,000, 1 million easily when you understand the process. Most important part, ladies and gentlemen, is when you do an outstanding job. What's the word? Labaw, 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 pagyod. You can never outgive God, so therefore you have to be a giver. Give it all of who you are. Because when you give it all of who you are to whatever you do, you are gonna be blessed. But where I want you to understand that if you want to be successful, 3 ways. Can I give it to you? 3 ways to be successful. Number 1, hard work. Is hard work important? Yes or yes? Oh, you bet. Very important. Do not ever discount hard work. Kita ka ng hardworking, pero wag man naging successful because hard work lang ilang puhunan. But is hard work important? Yes or yes? But it's not the end all and be all. You need to start creating that smart work or strategic work. Please write the word strategic work. You need to have strategy. That's a strategy that you want to start embracing. Digital transformation. Pero ang iyong puhunan lang, hard work lang, o strategic work, strategy can differ. But if there's one thing I want you to understand, when you look at this, I have both, but 95%, how many percent? Of what I do is not hard work. Because I'm enjoying this. Because most of the work that I do is focused 95% where? Faith work. When I say faith work, it's really believing that our God, our Creator, or the universe is already available right here, right now. And your job here is to accept it, to receive it. And how do you receive it and accept it? Is to really understand the world extreme self-care. Ug ang basihan sa success, dili kwarta, how rich are you? Let's take a look at your physical health. Is this a level 10? Because if it's not a level 10, you're not rich. Health is wealth. True or true? We know that. Yes or yes? But are you taking care of your health? Then time to start taking care of the most important thing in our life, which is health. Useless tanang kwarta. Useless tanang fame o imong health, wa gid matarong. Manaayo mo kalain kung i-require sa ato mahimong healthy because it is health is wealth. Number 2, can you safely say that every relationship is a level 10? What does it mean? Ang daghang pagmahay, that's not a 10. That's maybe a 5. Even if you have all the money in the world, but you don't have somebody to connect with, lonely. In terms of finances, if we take out your job, if we take out your business, how rich are you? If everything is taken away from you, all the external stuff, if you're healthy, loving, growing, that means you are glorifying your Creator. You have an inspiring spirit. Spiritual is something we want to look into. And therefore, our job here is to make sure, number 1, that every day of our life, no if, no but, you are to invest in your personal growth. How do we invest in personal growth? It's for us to read, to listen, at least minimum 1 hour of new information. Repeat it again and again and again and again up until you have memorized it. Because when you memorize it, it becomes now your new operating system. It becomes now your new program because this is now the way you think, the way you act, the way you feel. Then you move differently towards that growth. Invest in your personal growth every day. Number 2, invest in your health growth. Tagay po nagpagtagad imong lawas. Tagay po pagtagad ang imong health. Eat real food. Drink a lot of water. Ayaw mo paghuwat, nag-i-atake na mo, ayaw mo paghuwat, na hospital na mo, diha pa mo, take care of your health. No! Ayaw mo maging pabigat. Kailangan padagdag ka, lisod, matiguang, nga wala kay pulos. Kaya wala ka nag-alaga sa imong health. Lisod kaayo. Number 3, invest in your career. So if you are a driver, be the best driver, be the most upgraded driver, be someone who can give the best to your boss. Number 4, invest in your business development. You should know how business run. Magtuon ba? Daghan kitag material, libre na, gamon ninyo. Invest in what we call leadership. These are all the investment that you want to start paying yourself. Time, money, energy. And this is what they call self-evolution. So this will not happen. You have to make it happen. If you think about it, it's a vision. When you talk about it, it's a dream. When you write about it, it's a goal. But when you schedule it, it's a reality.